Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Help. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to hide following list on Instagram. For that, you need to open your Instagram and on the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. This will take you to the profile page of Instagram. On the upper right corner, you will see the three-line icon. Tap on that and tap on setting and privacy. This will take you to the setting and privacy page. When you scroll down under the who can see your content, there is account privacy. Tap on account privacy. For now, your private account has been toggled off. You need to toggle on by tapping on private account. So once you tap on switch to private, your all the following list on Instagram will be hidden. So if this video was useful for you, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.